In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to pass the security checks so your new number is linked and ready to use. The process is the same idea on both the website and the mobile app, though the buttons may sit in slightly different places. Start by signing into your Binance account. Open Binance in your browser or the mobile app and log in with your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication already enabled, complete that prompt so you're fully signed in. Make sure you're on a secure network and that you have access to your email and your current phone number before you begin, since you'll need both shortly. Once you're in, head to your account area and open the security settings. On the app, tap your profile icon, then choose security. On the website, click your profile in the top corner and select security from the menu. This is where Binance keeps all your protection tools like passwords, verification methods, and device management. In the security page, look for the phone number section. It should display the current number linked to your account, partially masked for privacy. This is the item you'll be updating. Select Change or Edit next to your phone number. Binance will immediately start a verification sequence to confirm it's really you making this change. Expect to receive a code sent to your registered email, a code sent by SMS to your current phone number, and a prompt for your two-factor authentication code if you use an authenticator app. Enter each code within the time limit shown. These codes expire quickly, so have your email inbox and messages ready. If you're using an authenticator app, ensure your device time is set automatically so the code stays in sync. Never share these codes with anyone. After you pass the verification, you'll be asked to enter your new phone number. Choose the correct country or region code first, then type the number carefully. Double-check for typos and make sure the SIM is active on a device that can receive texts. To finish, confirm the change by entering the SMS code Binance sends to your new number. Once that code is accepted, your phone number is updated. You'll use this new number for future logins and security checks. If something doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment, then resend the code and check your network signal. That's it. You've successfully changed your phone number in Binance, keeping your account secure and your contact details up to date.